Owning a business is a feat, but owning multiple businesses, that's an art. Today, we are exploring the strategy and intricacies behind managing several enterprises. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, let's understand the motivation to own more than one company. According to a survey, 55% of business owners venture into multiple businesses to diversify their income streams. Another 35% do so to pursue various passions, starting with the foundation. The key is to have a robust first business. It should be stable, self-sustaining, and require minimal intervention. Studies show that 70% of business owners who successfully launched their second venture had a self-running first business. Let's talk structure. There are different ways to own multiple businesses. One popular method is a holding company model, where one primary business owns several smaller ones. This provides financial protection, as the liabilities of one business do not affect the others. Financing is, of course, crucial. Diversifying means you'll have various financial needs. 40% of multi-business owners fund their new ventures using profits from their primary business. However, always keep a keen eye on financial health and avoid overextending. Delegation becomes vital when managing multiple enterprises. Successful business owners know the importance of a strong team. Empower leaders within each business and trust them to run day-to-day operations. Remember, as the owner, your role evolves into oversight and strategy. Efficient systems and processes are your best friends. Implement management software, centralized communication tools, and standardized procedures. Interestingly, businesses that adopt uniform processes across their ventures reported a 25% increase in efficiency. Networking is another integral component. Being part of different industries gives you a unique vantage point. Utilize these networks to cross-promote, share resources, or even collaborate. Now, time and attention are limited resources. The key is not to spread yourself too thin. Dedicate specific days or hours to each business, ensuring each venture gets the focus it deserves. One of the most compelling statistics is that businesses that share complementary services or products are 80% more likely to succeed. For instance, if you own a bakery, your next business could be a coffee shop or a baking supplies store. Lastly, continuous learning is pivotal. Each business will offer unique challenges and lessons. Embrace them. 85% of multi-business owners attribute their success to adapting and applying learnings from one business to another. If you need more information about how to own multiple businesses, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the information in this video? Is there anything you're confused about? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.